would you say that photography grabs the attention and captures the attention, but Matterport or 3D tour will close the deal because the buyer goes home and they just go through 3D over and over and over, and then they really fall in love and understand the property?
Yeah, I think that there's a lot of truth to that, but I also think that people are buying homes without seeing them. And without Matterport, you really don't get a sense for the space of the home. And again, using myself as an example, there were probably 50% of the houses, or not even, maybe even 30 or 40% of the houses had Matterport attached to them. And those are the ones that we really focused on, because we could not just drop, on the drop of a hat, go down and take a look at houses. We sent over my daughter, who looked at a few places for us. But to be able to get into the house, go through it, and visualize it and walk through the house was huge in helping us understand our needs and what we wanted down there.